finance-loving hamsters, how sharp are your strategy skills? And I'm not talking about chess or video games, I mean financial prosperity. I've dug up a video that explains an intriguing strategy for boosting wealth. Even if you already know plenty of ways to increase your income, one more method couldn't hurt, right? So, let's listen in.
So let's say I'm 25 years old, I'm making 50k per month, and I say I want to become a millionaire. What kind of financial planning journey would you show me?
If you save 15,000 rupees a month for 15 years put together, and if we assume a 15% rate of return, you would have made your first 1 crore. That first crore will turn into your second crore only in next 8 years. And that second crore will turn into your third crore only in 3 years. From 5th crore onward, Sharon, you start adding a crore every year. Then if you really want to go, perhaps start building a direct stock portfolio if you've learned enough in the market. And after you've earned considerable amount of wealth, I would still say
what is the considerable amount of wealth?
My sense is at least $500,000. You can then start looking into some PMS options.
So it's like a more riskier mutual fund.
Absolutely, with a minimum regulatory ticket size of 50 lakhs.
In my opinion, it's a superbly crafted strategy, especially considering that 1 crore equals 10 million rupees. It also presents a solid approach to saving and gradually increasing wealth. After all, the ability to save and grow wealth is not just a matter of discipline, but also an important learning process in economics and the market as a whole. If wealth suddenly falls from the sky and you want to invest it, there's a high chance that the investment might not be as profitable as it could be. Therefore, save gradually, multiply your assets, and become financially wiser each day. To help with this, don't miss our videos, friends. See you next time. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Hey there, finance-seeking hamsters! Each and every one of us deals with cash daily, right? But how deep is our understanding of how that money really ticks? Sure, we get that you can snag goodies with it, but what if we take a broader peek into the workings of the economic system? Today, I've got a dope video from an expert that's gonna shed some light on this. Y'all comfy? Let's roll!
Before we close, what do you think is the number one thing people just don't understand about money?
Well, I think what I would like to say to that is people don't understand the way the economic system works. And the reason why that's important is because fortunately or unfortunately, rather unfortunately, it is profitable to keep people financially uneducated. It's profitable to keep people poor. And now you might hear that and say, Jaspreet, what are you talking about? That sounds really bad, negative, and evil. Well, if you understand the economic system, which is something I wish the school systems would teach, our economic system runs on spending. That means the more money you spend, the more money somebody else makes. If you don't spend your money and you save your money, and everybody else starts to do that, our whole economic system would fail.
Interesting thought, but kinda smells like conspiracy theory, huh? Saving money is a solid habit. Investing it smartly is even cooler. But I think spending it matters too. Otherwise, why are we even making it, right? Definitely a topic worth chatting about. Drop your thoughts in the comments, folks. Let's figure this out together. Meanwhile, I'm off to hunt down more cool vids for you. Don't miss our new episodes to keep getting financially savvier. Catch you later, friends. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all, and all for one.